Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the silver chart on 10th of March 2023 and show you some positions that you can make and see what's gonna happen next on silver. Then I'm just gonna show you the 7 positions that I made yesterday on 9th of March 2023. So let's get started. As you can see on the 15-minute time frame, in my previous analysis I told you that we have this triangle pattern here. With the break of this trend line here, we can enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle and look for risk reward 2, which gives us something around 2.5 there. Okay, and also I told you in the 5-minute time frame we had a earlier breakout like this one. Let me go. It was here and the stop loss was below the candle. You can check out the video up there. It gives us something around 8.7. okay, your reward is based on your risk. Okay, we risk this much to get this much of reward. Okay, but right now in the price, let me switch to 15-minute time frame. Let's start from the 4-hour time frame first. You can see we are still in this channel and nothing is special is going on here. We are in a range place. It will be clear, more clear in the 1-hour time frame. The price dropped and after that we are in a range place. We are going up and down and up and down. Okay, in a range place. On the 15-minute time frame, right now we do have this breakout. This green candle broke out of this trend line. We can risk on it and go for buy positions right now, like this one. Enter the position here, put your stop loss below the candle, look for risk reward 2, and also you can see we have this resistance line here too, where the price came to this level and started falling. We draw a resistance line like this. Our target also can be this level, and also if we see a nice candle like a pin bar candle, like we see some candles here, or a nice red candle, we can risk on it and go for reverse position, for sell position. But if we see some stop loss here, we can go for buy position on this support line if we see some nice candles, as we had it here in the previous in the past of the market. You can see the price dropped this much and touched an invisible area or level and started going up. Okay, we draw a support line like this. In the future we can see 2 pin bars on that area, on that line here. Okay, on that support we can risk on it here and go for buy positions, which I believe it gives us more than 5 or 6, I think. Okay, let me draw it through. Where did we go? Like this one, and it gives us something around 5 here. Okay, I just didn't it's just okay, 5, and more of that is for commissions and such things. Okay, this is about this one, and yeah, you can risk on that. On this one, go for buy position here. I told you, you can go also for sell position on this area if you see nice candle, or go for a buy position on this area if you see nice candles. Okay, let's go to the positions that I made yesterday and see what happened there. Before we start this part, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start. As you can see, we had a resistance line here. First, I have to say this is 9th of March 2023, and let's begin. On the first position we have this resistance line here where the price came to this level and started falling. In the future here, the price reacts to that level and makes a pin bar like this. We can risk on it and go for sell positions like this one, and it gives us a reward of 4. On the second position, let me clean it that we can see better. On the second position, we have this trend line broken with this green candle. We can risk on it because it is a breakout. Okay, we can risk on it on this green candle and go for buy position, put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer like here or even here, and it gives us a reward of something around 5, a bit lesser than that. On the trade 3, we have this trend line with 2 touches. On the third time it is broken with this green candle, we enter the buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us a reward of 4.5 here, as you can see. On the trade 4, let me clean it. On the trade 4, we have this trend line, which it was like this, with actually 4 or 5 touches. When we see these this shadow here, we extend it, and until we see this candle breaks out of this trend line, we enter the sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe or even here, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around 3.8 here with this shadow actually. On the trade 5, we have this trend line, which it is like this one with 3 touches. On the fourth time it is broken here, we enter the sell position, put our stop loss above that, and it gives us a reward of 3.8. On the trade 6, we have a trend line with 1 touch, 2 touches. On the third time it is broken here, we can risk on it and go for sell position, put our stop loss above that candle, and it gives us a reward of 2. And also you can see we have this support area where the price came to this level and started going up, a very nice support area. We can draw a support line like this and wait for the price to react to this level in the future, which it did, and we could risk on it and go for buy positions. Also it can be our target of this sell position here. We can close our position here. You can see some rejections, you can close your position, and also go for reverse position if you see a nice candle, which we see a nice green candle here. We can enter a buy position, put our stop loss below the candles, and it gives us a reward of 3.5. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.